Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring a simple yet powerful habit that can drastically improve your productivity: daily reflection. Without taking time to reflect, many of us fall into patterns of inefficient work, repeating the same mistakes over and over. But with daily self-assessment, you can fine-tune your strategies, sharpen your focus, and boost your overall performance. In this video, we'll show you how a few minutes of reflection each day can transform the way you work. Let's dive in. The power of daily reflection. Reflection is a simple yet powerful tool. By taking just a few minutes each day to evaluate what you've accomplished, what challenges you faced, and what could have been done better, you gain valuable insights into your work habits. Studies have shown that people who regularly engage in reflection can increase their productivity by up to 23%. Imagine starting every day with a clear understanding of what's working and what's not. This allows you to continuously improve. Reflection isn't just about looking back. It's about getting better every day. How to build a reflection routine. Building a reflection routine is easier than you might think. Start by setting aside 5 to 10 minutes at the end of each workday. This can be before you leave the office or wrap up your work from home day. The key is consistency. Here's a simple routine you can follow. 1. Review your day. What tasks did you complete? What challenges did you encounter? 2. Identify lessons. What did you learn from today? Did any problems arise that you can avoid in the future? 3. Plan for improvement. How can you adjust your approach for tomorrow to be more effective? This small habit, done daily, can create massive changes in your workflow over time. Tools to support your reflection. To make reflection even more effective, consider using tools to support your process. Journaling apps like Evernote or Notion allow you to track your thoughts, review past reflections, and monitor your progress over time. If you prefer a more personal touch, keeping a simple handwritten journal works just as well. Some people find that writing by hand helps them connect more deeply with their thoughts. Whatever method you choose, the important thing is to make reflection a regular part of your routine. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. How daily reflection enhances productivity and leadership. Let's see how daily reflection can make a tangible difference. For executives, taking time to reflect on leadership decisions or strategic meetings can help you identify areas where your team needs better guidance. For employees, reflecting on your tasks each day can help you spot inefficiencies, like spending too much time on emails or getting stuck in unnecessary meetings. The benefits of daily reflection. The benefits of regular self-reflection go beyond productivity. It also enhances your overall well-being. By reflecting on your successes and challenges, you give yourself the chance to celebrate small wins and identify areas where you can improve. This not only boosts your confidence but also helps reduce stress. Daily reflection might seem like a small change, but it can have a huge impact on your work. By taking just a few minutes each day to reflect on what worked and what didn't, you'll become more productive, more focused, and more effective in your role. Start your reflection routine today, and you'll see the difference it can make in both your work and your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and strategies to help you excel in the workplace. Thanks for watching.